Still on cricket, now manager for Jamaica's under-19 cricket team to the recent regional 2-day and 50-over championship, Ephraim McLeod believes the early exposure to T20 cricket may be harming the development of young players. Jamaica's under-19 team to St. Vincent failed to retain any of the 2 trophies they won in 2023, despite having a number of players from that squad returning. Batting was a major concern as the team constantly lost wickets in clusters and failed to chase scores of 126 against Barbados, 175 against Guyana, while winning by only 3 wickets against Windward Islands, who were bowled out for 96 in the 50-over tournament.
That said team won the double last season, right? So I think it's just that the players need to learn to dig a little bit deeper. I think in cricket, I don't know if the T20 thing is taking over these youngsters' mind, but if you watch the tournament for those games that were streaming, you see a lot of our players out of playing shots. So what I would recommend to them to do is learn to stay longer at the crease and dig deeper.
The performance of the team came in for some harsh criticism from head coach Terence Cork, who felt players did not apply themselves well enough. It is a sentiment shared by McLeod, who also feels it wasn't a Jamaican problem.
What I would say is that I don't think the batting did as well as we expect them to do, because the team that we traveled with this season was just 4 people less than what we traveled with last season. And it's just that the top batsmen didn't really show up. But I think it's a Caribbean thing, because most of the World Cup players for the rest of the teams, the Barbados, the Trinidad, the Guyana, the Jamaica, most of them didn't really score a lot of runs. So I don't know if it's the pitches were a bit slow and low to some extent, but we have to make the adjustment whenever we don't get the type of pitch we're looking for.
Jamaica finished second in the 2-day championship and third in the 50-over competition.